everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Blanc Spa Resort Cancun, one of our all-time favorites, and right now we are in the entry-level room. This is a Deluxe Lagoon View, and this particular one is in a 2 double bed configuration. Let me show you what the room is all about. As soon as you walk in the door, just to the left, you're gonna have your makeup room do not disturb sign. You click the button there and you can communicate with them outside. You've got your first set of storage over here to the left, and this one's identical, so let me show you what it's all about. You've got your storage up above, your safe, you have a golf umbrella, you're also gonna have an iron and ironing board, and you do have your spa robes and slippers. We have a video of every single spot here on property, so if you wanna see the incredible spa that they're very well known for, make sure you check out our full resort tour. Continuing along, you're gonna have your Butlers Pantry and mini bar right here. So as you open this up, you've got upgraded alcohol amenity right there. You're also gonna have your bottle of wine. That's a complimentary feature. You can take it home with you as a gift, or you can consume it while you're on site. You're gonna have your Lavazza coffee maker right here. The pods are just down below. You've got your glassware and then also several different snack options. Just below that, you're gonna find your fully stocked mini bar. It will be stocked when you arrive, and then of course, they'll replenish it every day, and you can have them replenish it with whatever items you prefer. Continuing along, now we are in the bathroom. Now here is the shower. You've got a large rainforest shower head up above, a shower wand. You also have a nice Swiss shower set up with these extra jets. And then back here, you're gonna have a nice little bench, and you also have a shower sponge and your upgraded Bulgari bath amenities. Those are a really nice treat, and you can utilize them throughout your stay here. Now here is the vanity area. You've got storage underneath, you've got a scale, and one of the things that I love is this property just had a $30+ million renovation, and you can really tell that they put every detail into the rooms. You got this beautiful brand new marble countertops and then brand new sink as well. Your magnifying backlit mirror is gonna be right here, and then here you'll find your extra large double jacuzzi soaking tub. Now, every category here on site, you're gonna have a butler, and one of the things that the butler can do is draw a bath for you. They can also do things like access the comfort menu, whether you want something off the pillow menu, the bath salts, aromatherapy menus, or you can even get your artisan bath soap. They bring it in and they carve it just for you. Continuing in to my left, you're gonna have your luggage storage above and below, and conveniently right next door, you're gonna have the drawers. Now, another one of those great features that the butler can do is they're happy to pack and unpack for you if you'd like that. You've got your large flat panel TV. It is a smart TV. They have ways to mirror what you have on your tablet and devices onto here as well. You also have full functions. You've got a menu. You can access the spa and restaurant menus and all kinds of different other features through your smart TV. Continuing along, you've got a writing desk. Another thing they did in the upgrade is that they added a ton of plugs. You've got 4 USB chargers, 2 US plugs right there, and then a nice writing desk. Here you can see that it's set up in the 2 double bed format. I love all the little details, including right here in the middle, they've got a nice memory foam mat. And then back behind the beds, you're gonna have a US plug, 2 USB chargers. They also have an HDMI plug-in, so you can plug directly into their mirror on the TV. You've got your Bluetooth speaker, phone, and this nice little amenity that they added in. You scan the QR code when you get here, and you can use WhatsApp to communicate with the e-concierge. Every time you stay here, they've got a nice beach bag, and you can use that here while you stay, and then of course take it home with you as well. Now, when they did the renovation, they replaced every single bed, all the linens, all the pillows, and I'm not gonna lie, last night was one of the most comfortable night's sleep I've ever had. They did an amazing job with that. Continuing along, you've got 2 chairs and a nice marble table here. You can take advantage of that fantastic 24-hour room service menu. Now, this particular room is a lagoon view. Let me show you what that's about. So open up the curtains here. You can see the signature French balconies that almost all of the room categories have here on site. And this particular one has a great view over the lagoon pool, the lagoon, and then of course you can take advantage of the sunsets. So when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite at LeBlanc Los Cabos or Cancun, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your LeBlanc experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We absolutely love them ourselves. And we know that we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your friends at an incredible value.